In this video, we are going to learn how to install SDC from Cloudera Parcel. Let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the Data Collector Downloads page. Here you will find the login and password you will need for the commands we will be using. Once you are there, go to the Downloads page, find the Data Collector, the Custom Service Descriptor, and the Cloudera Parcels files you need, and get the link for the parcel you need. Then go to the following directory and use the following command to download the CSD from the link you got on the previous page. After downloading, make sure you have the correct ownership and access rights for the CSD file. Update the permission and ownership with the following commands. Now that you have updated the permissions and ownership, go to this other directory to download the actual SDC parcel. Then, use the contents of the SHA file to confirm the integrity of the parcel. You can run the SHA command on the parcel to make sure they are identical. This would mean that they are valid. This is the command you would use for this comparison. If these values are different, it indicates damage or some other problem with the download. Make sure that the permissions and ownership of the files are correct. Once you have done that, go to the Parcels page. You should not be able to see the SDC parcel yet. After that, you need to restart the Cloudera Manager service. To do so, run this command. When Cloudera Manager is running again, you should not see the SDC parcel. You should use the Check for New Parcels button to check for the new parcel. You may have to do this a few times or wait some time for it to become available. Once you see it, click Distribute and wait for it to be distributed. When it is distributed, you can activate it. Once you have activated the parcel, you can return to the main Cloudera Manager portal. Right now, you can add a new service. You should scroll down until you see the StreamSets service. Then click Continue. When you have found it, you can make the changes. You can make the desired changes for the data directory and the resource directory. You should wait until the installation is complete. Then click Continue. Now you should see StreamSets in the list of services, but it will be grayed out like this. When you click on the Cloudera Management Stale Services, you will see that you need to restart the service. You should click Restart and wait for the F process to complete. Once the restart is complete, you can see that the service is now green. You can click here and you should now have access to the SDC web UI. Log in with your credentials and you should now be able to access SDC. In summary, we learned how to download SDC using Cloudera Parcel in this video.